Hey there. Today I want to talk to you about dehydration and the effects of dehydration that can happen to our human body. But before I jump into the topic and show you some of the drawings that I did, I want to talk to you about one simple fun fact about our human body. Our human body is made up of about 60% water, and those water don't just sit in our system and later become urine. They actually do a lot of important jobs in our body. They help regulate blood pressure, temperature, circulation, and brain function even. So now let's talk about what dehydration actually is. So dehydration simply means the water that goes into your body is less than the water that goes out. This can happen sometimes from working out, sweating, from having a fever, diarrhea, or simply just not drinking enough. So when we lose water, as you can see here, we got a little blood vessel here. When we lose water, our blood volume goes lower, decrease, right? And then blood becomes more thick and more concentrated. This makes it harder for the heart to pump blood effectively throughout the body. So this is not good. So that's why our body, once notice that our body is dehydrated, it will quickly to react to try to correct this imbalance. What it do is it's going to alert the brain. So whenever the brain detects dehydration, it's going to send a signal hormones, which is going to be ADH. We can just simply call it ADH. So this ADH will signal the kidney right here to basically tell the kidney to, hey, we don't have enough water in the system, so please retain as much water as possible. Let's save them instead of releasing them into the urine. So that's why sometimes, when you dehydrate, you don't pee much. Or in the morning when you just woke up, of course you're dehydrated because you didn't drink water for the whole night. Your pee got a little more darker because we're dehydrated and the body is trying to restore the balance. That's what happens. So let's see the effects on the heart and brain. So when blood volume drops, so less blood returns to the heart, and the heart wants to compensate. That's why the heart, beeps even more. So that's why the heart rate goes up. But blood pressure may maybe fall, which can cause dizziness, headache, and fatigue. And this is not good because our brain is very sensitive to hydration. Even mild dehydration can cause all this problem. And most importantly, it causes problem focusing. So for our students, we want to perform better in exams, we have to drink a lot of water. So in conclusion, dehydration affects the kidney, heart, and brain. And what starts as simple thirst can quickly disrupt the body's balance. So staying hydrated is very important to our human body. Stay hydrated.